Myself is a Dr. Mrs. Ludchuke. I get very many letters from everybody saying me their problems. Therefore, letters to Ludchuke, where I solve your problems for you. Hello, doctor. Hello, Etta. I am a 19 years old man. A friend of mine told me that masturbation increases immunity and eating onions can improve sperm count. Is this true? Master Bates, Gurgaon. Beta, very good question. See, because as my guru and my hero, Dr. Mahinder Vatsa has said me that most of the questions that they come from the gents, they are about their penis sizes. So congratulations on having a very different question. Second, now what is a masturbation? See, masturbation is when you pleasure yourself. It is like God's way of telling you, good job for existing. You are one of the survival of the fittest and you are quite fit. It's like God saying pat on the back, but instead from the front. It is quite symbolic of the fact that you can take your own happiness in your hands. That is why they say apna haq Jagannath. Now beta, this masturbation is a policy that has been very much promoted by our recent political environment as well, which is called as a Atmanirbhar. Means you have to be dependent on yourself for your own happiness. Now also you are saying me that is the masturbations good for the increase of your immunity? But masturbations and the successive organism that comes with the masturbations is very much good for your immunity because it increases the production of the white blood cells. And the white blood cells are the ones that are very much responsible for keeping you healthy and fighting off any kind of a diseases or any kind of a infection. Also now we are sitting in the middle of a lockdown, means full pandemic outside, everyone is very much panicking. So you must be very much focused on your immunity and therefore and beta, let us face it, there is only so much of the internet and Netflix you can watch. After that you have to also take your happiness in your own hands, as she said. So yes beta, to a certain extent your masturbation helps increase your immunity, but it is not like masturbation is the only thing you should do. Means it is not a cure. It is not like, oh my god, I have got a cold, let me do masturbation. No, not like that. Or like, oh my god, but I masturbated so many times yesterday, how I am still having fever. It's not like the direct connection, but it is very much result of. And yes, speaking to our question as to whether onions increase your sperm count, but actually it is a very much scientific fact that an onion is an aphrodisiac. Means it is a DJ that is based out of Ibiza. Means it sounds like that. It is not. That is my sense of humor for all the youth peoples out there. Don't worry, remove this and edit. But yes, onions are very much increase your sperm count. So whenever you are having the dishes as such as the kanda bhajia or your vegetable do pyaza, it is actually very much good for you. So whenever it is, that is why there is the direct connection. No, whenever it is raining outside, they will say, oh my god, it is time for the bhajias and time to get sexy with each other. Because it is raining outside, beautiful environment. Then you go and cuddle under the blanket and you are eating the bhajias. Means your sperm count is increasing. So that is why it is a very much romantic and sexual weather. And with a masturbation, it is like the Swadeshi movement for your sexuals. That is why you must remain Atmanirbhar. Take it in your own hands. Support yourself. So beta, if your question is, should I do masturbation? Yes, you should. Take your happiness in your own hands and do it for health. It is true that masturbation increases your immunity and onions increases your sperm count. But don't do like this, that after making onion do pyaza or eating onion do pyaza, you directly go to masturbate. No. Wash your hands. Keep the hands clean. If you are using any type of toys or whatever, make sure those are also very much clean. Otherwise, you will be having burning and all, and that is another set of problems altogether. And beta, of course, if you have any problems that you want me to give the answers for, leave it in the comments below. And otherwise, if you don't feeling like conscious or whatever, then put in my DMs or on this email address I have provided below. And don't feel shy. I'm like your mother only, beta.